No. Because then Auntie would, then the bird would be really scared and stuff, and she might die if she's too stressed out.
I can't believe that they're coming in just two
Probably 1 week now.
Huh?
Probably 1 week now.
We have 1 week. Tomorrow. How much days?
Are they coming?
No. But
Mittens.
how much days?
Uh-oh, that part's not covered. Oh, I want to show Hayden the bird. She might like it.
She's not awake.
When she wakes up. Mittens.
Can you take this with me?
It's okay. No, it's not.
Who goes in that?
Dad, look what you forget! Dad.
It's okay, you can then sip it. It's okay, you can sip it.
Alright, I have 1,000 more.
We have 1,000 more. Oh, can I have it? If they get me one.
Mittens, get away.
Ah, it's so hot in here.
Oh, Hayden, come look at the bird.
She said, ah! But louder than that.
I don't know, but it went down.
Okay. Mittens. No, 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 no.
Go in back.
Look at the birdie. Is that a bird? Don't scare it too much. So cute. Do you see the birdie? Oh, even Mittens are scared.
Quiet. Be quiet.
It's a bird. Bird. Mittens, go. Mittens, no. Mittens, go. Bobby, no. Hayden, you're going to let it escape. Okay. Can you video while I let Hayden see the bird?
Did you pause it so they didn't hear that?
Why would...
It's just kind of weird.
Okay, here, take it, Hayden.
It's okay if you go without the video.
Hayden, no.
That's his life. What's that?
Pet it. No, gentle, gentle. She got scared for a second. Ember zip tied it.
Okay, so she really truly did. So now I have to go all the way back up to the shop to get another.
I know. I can't believe she did that. Look.
No.
No, stop doing. You like this Cade more than. Are you okay?
That was a perfect one, Ember.
Bobby.
Ember.
No.
Sure.
I bite you again.
Can I zoom in?
Ow! Okay.
Ow, yeah.
And no, you're gonna make it fly away, and then it will. No, Hayden. Oh,
I don't think you're videoing right.
I know I wasn't.
Hello?
It's gonna make a bad
Hello? Oh.
Hello? Oh. Crap, no, stop it. Mom, the bird bit Hayden, and then Hayden got scared of it, but it didn't bite her to where she'll cry. It does hurt when the bird bites you. It doesn't, it just feels like a pinch or a shot from the doctor. Mittens, no! I can't believe you did that.
Sit down, Ember.
Don't dare, Amber.
Fine. So, I got that.
Oh,
Alright,
Dad
you
got
got the bird?
yeah, Pop, you're gonna need to.
They got 2.
You're not gonna
Can I
need to
zip
video.
tie?
No.
It on?
No. No way. Dad needs to do it perfect. Okay, you video the bird. Hey, wait. You're gonna Pop, stop it.
I think it a ring.
That's gonna hurt you.
Yeah,
Ember, you're not gonna let it be. It's not gonna come off your finger. Oh no. Okay, Pop. The bird's not even in there. Why are you videoing it?
Because you didn't pause it.
Video the bird.